Thank you, Carla. Hello, everybody. Hi, I'm Eddie Pickle from Crunchy Data, and I'm one of the organizers of this event. Since you're here at an open source event, you're probably one of the people in your organization that's working on modernization and innovation. So today I want to share with you some ideas on modernizing geospatial workflows by starting with your database and by working with Crunchy Data and the Postgres database. How do I advance this slide? It'd help if I learned it. Often, legacy geospatial workflows start at or are centered on a GIS system. To modernize them, think beyond the GIS and move down the stack to your database. By focusing on the database in your architecture and by moving to open source, you can create a better, more modern architecture. At Crunchy, we work to develop and augment the open source Postgres database, along with PostGIS, as the basis for a more modern, robust architecture and solution set that enables more modern and effective geospatial workflows. Okay, well, why move to an open source database focus? Well, it's cheaper than proprietary GIS, but that's not the main reason, which are to move your focus to an open source database. Primarily, there are technical and infrastructural reasons. Technically, your database can do more of the work, creating a faster, simpler, more secure architecture, a modernized one. Have two components do the work of instead of 12. Your data can outlive your software and your applications, and you can prepare for AI. A database-centric workflow makes implementing AI much easier. But I also want to note some important infrastructure reasons to move your geospatial focus to an open source database. At FosterG North America last fall, Crunchy Data's Paul Ramsey spoke about how you can innovate from within government, like we saw today at the OSM U.S. Government Collaboration Panel. I urge you guys to go back and look at the videos from FosterG North America, where you can find this one that I've got a link here to, where Paul advises on innovating from within government. He pointed out how much innovation the government has already been responsible for. The computer with the Army, the integrated circuit with the Air Force, GRASS GIS from the Army Corps. Uniquely, you, us, we, the government, can seed efforts that will pay dividends for years to come. Paul urges us to act like open source software is critical infrastructure and invest in it. Have your contractors work in the open, have them deliver open source, break projects into custom and reusable components, and insist on upstream contributions for dependencies. That in turn will enable you, the government, to own, understand, and deliver results, and enable systems integrators and government agencies to reduce enterprise license costs and get the results quicker, and modernize their databases for better geospatial applications. So back to how to modernize geospatial workflows. At Crunchy, we create foundation database software in both the technical and infrastructural ways that Paul Ramsey talks about. We work on the Postgres core software to make the right foundation for a modern architecture, including for geospatial, and then we work on many components around it to make it an enterprise-ready foundation for geospatial workflows. And we do our work in the open. You'll find at the Crunchy table Keith Fisk and Stephen Frost, both core committers to the Postgres project that you can talk to about the open work that they do. We deliver reusable open source components, and we make those components enterprise ready via packaging, integration, commercial support to enable you to modernize your workflows. Postgres can be the foundation for a truly modern architecture, supporting a huge range of data types and providing a wide range of capabilities in an open source software stack that developers love to work with. And with the automation functionality you need to move your workflows into production. Notably, on top of the Postgres database, Crunchy provides support and certified builds for PostGIS to open up a wide range of modern geospatial functions and applications. In summary, to modernize geospatial workflows, start with your database. Postgres and PostGIS can be the foundation for a modernized architecture, and then Crunchy data distributions and support can help you create the geospatial day one, day two workflows that you need. Thank you.